Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in this video, I'll show you how to use Pan tool in CorelDraw. Let me show you how. In some cases, if you have your new documents blank right here and you want to decide to drag it from one side to another side, or you want to center your artwork in the center point of your CorelDraw, that is when you make use of any way by which you can, instead of you coming down right here, try to drag with your bottom right here, down below right here. Instead of you dragging this way, you can easily make use of Pan tool to drag your artwork from any angle to your center point or to any point of your choice. And there are so many ways by which you can have access to your Pan tool in CorelDraw. One of the first easiest ways to come to the toolbar right here, take and hold down from the zoom tool and choose your Pan tool. However, you can also press letter H on your keyboard. This will activate Pan tool. You can see my keyboard here, my mouse right here has turned to Pan tool. The next thing you want to do is to drag. Then you can drag the artboard into any position of your choice without even stressing yourself. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CorelDraw tools like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.